Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. I would like to introduce myself. I am Bilkis Akhtar, assistant English teacher, Chalita Bunia Junior High School. Dear student, for a long time we are stay at home because of COVID-19. Today I am going to meet you by a virtual English class. So students, welcome to our online English class for class 8. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence. So student, do you know what is transformation of sentence? Yes, transformation of sentence means changing sentence as its direction. There are many type of transformation of sentence or changing sentence, such as affirmative to negative, assertive to interrogative, assertive to imperative, assertive to exclamatory, and active to passive, etc. And those types of vice versa. Okay student, our today's topic is affirmative to negative. So student, our topic affirmative to negative. Affirmative sentence is a type of assertive sentence, and this is a very important type, affirmative to negative. At first you get many type of rules to your suggestive book. Now I take a rules. Rule 1. Only or alone. Only or alone. Only or alone is a very important rule for you. Dear student, when any sentence starts or any sentence has only or alone, you can change it by using none but or nothing but, or nothing but, nothing but. The rules of only has 3 rules. One rule is when only is indicated any person or any subjective word. Remember, any person or any subjective word. Here is an example. Only you can do it. Only you can do it. Here only indicated you. Only কাকে নির্দেশ করছে? You. You is a person or you is a subjective word. So here only change by use of none but. None but. Only পরিবর্তে কি বসলো? None but. বাকি সেন্টেন্সটা যেভাবে আছে সেভাবেই হবে. So students, you only remember none but. কখন none but বসবে? When only indicated any person or subjective word. Yes, student, only indicated only person or subjective word, then you can change it only using by none but. Here another example of only or alone. Another example is when only indicated any objective word or any object. Here is an example. Only no students, here we use she loves only me. সে শুধুমাত্র আমাকেই ভালোবাসে, তাই তো? Here No, me means subjective word. Here we see a objective word. So she loves only sweets. Sweets. Sweets means objective word. Any object. Sweets means মিষ্টি, তাহলে এটা তো অবশ্যই object. So she loves only sweets. Only indicate sweets. Here she loves only changed by nothing but sweets. Do you see, students? Only changes by nothing but, because here only indicated objective word. Only has another rules, that is when only indicated any number. Here is an example. Only he is only 10. Here only indicated 10. 10 is a number. 10 is a number. So we can change it. He is not more than or not less than. So not more than 10 or not less than 10. That is an example. Only changes by not more than. So student, here we study three rules. We learn, that is only and alone. Only or alone. Only and alone has three rules. Only and alone has which rules? Three rules. First of all, only, when only is indicated any person or subjective word, here only changes by none but. Second, only indicated when any object. Remember it, when any object, that changes nothing but. And third, when only indicated any number, here is 10, 7, 0, 0, for any number, then only changes not more than or not less than. So student, here is the rule of only or alone. We can change these rules and affirmative to negative. Then rule number 2. Rule 2, that is must. That is must. If any sentence has started or any sentence has middle, last, must, then we change it. Must থাকলে আমরা কি দিয়ে চেঞ্জ করব স্টুডেন্ট? Must changes cannot but or cannot help. So student, here is an example. You must obey your parents. Okay student, must থাকলে কি হবে? পরিবর্তন হয়ে must এর পরিবর্তে cannot but or cannot help. Then cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing. must এর পরে যে ভার্বটি থাকবে তার সঙ্গে আমাদের ing যুক্ত করতে হবে. This is the rules. So our example is you must obey your parents. We change it. You must changed by cannot but or cannot help. You can use cannot help also. You cannot but obey. Here is an rules is ing. So obeying your parents. Dear students, follow it. When we change any sentence which has must, then we change it cannot but or cannot help. Here I change it cannot but you also change it cannot help. So you is a subject. Here subject has no change. Must change by cannot but. Obey is the obeying. So because it is the rules, when cannot but অথবা cannot help এটার পরে যখন কোনো ভার্ব থাকবে সে ভার্বের সঙ্গে obviously ing যোগ করতে হবে. So you must obey your parents. Here changed it. You cannot but obey your parents. Students, this is the rules. Must. Then another rules is every যুক্ত সেন্টেন্সকে আমরা কিভাবে চেঞ্জ করব? এভরি পরিবর্তে there is no, then এভরি পরিবর্তে এভরি পরবর্তী ওয়ার্ডটা then but, then সেন্টেন্সের বাকি অংশ. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, ফলো ইট. এভরি যুক্ত সেন্টেন্সকে যখন আমরা পরিবর্তন করব অ্যাফার্মেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ, সেক্ষেত্রে এভরির পরিবর্তে আমরা দেয়ার ইজ নো ব্যবহার করব. এরপরে এভরির পরবর্তী ওয়ার্ড, এভরি যুক্ত সেন্টেন্সের এভরির সঙ্গে যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ড থাকে সেই ওয়ার্ডটি অবশ্যই এভরির পরিবর্তে যখন দেয়ার ইজ নো বসবে তার পরবর্তীতে সেই ওয়ার্ডটি বসবে, তার সঙ্গে বাট যুক্ত হবে পরে সেন্টেন্সের বাকি অংশ. Here is an example. Every mother loves her child. কি করে? প্রত্যেক মাতার সন্তানকে ভালোবাসে. আমরা কি জানি এভরি পরিবর্তে কি বসবে? there is no. এভরি পরবর্তী ওয়ার্ডটা কি ছিল? মাদার. there is no mother. এরপরে রুলস অনুযায়ী কি আসবে? but. there is no mother but loves her child. এক্ষেত্রে আর কোনো পরিবর্তনের প্রয়োজন নেই. স্টুডেন্ট, ফলো ইট. এভরি মাদার লাভস হার চাইল্ড. আমরা জানি এভরি পরিবর্তে there is no, so we changed every by there is no. এভরি পরবর্তী ওয়ার্ডটা সেটা আমরা চেঞ্জ করতে পারবো না. এভরি পরবর্তী ওয়ার্ড ওইভাবে এখানে চলে আসছে. সো there is no mother. এখানে বাটটা কোথা থেকে আসছে? বাট যেহেতু আমাকে নেগেটিভ করতে হবে, আমরা জানি যে অর্থের পরিবর্তন না করে সেন্টেন্সটি নেগেটিভ করতে হবে, সেই সূত্র অনুযায়ী এক্ষেত্রে রুলসে বাটটা চলে আসে. দেন সেন্টেন্সের বাকি অংশ যেমন ছিল আমি তেমন বসিয়েছি. সো স্টুডেন্ট, there is no mother but loves her child. Then our another rules is rules number 4. Here another rules is and or both. and or both. যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্স and or both যুক্ত কোনো সেন্টেন্স আমরা কিভাবে চেঞ্জ করব? here is an example. Suppose I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. Here the sentence is add by and দিয়ে সেন্টেন্সটি যুক্ত হয়েছে. সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে পরিবর্তন করব? here is an rules that is not only but also. Dear student, I know you are all concerned about these rules. Yeah? So, according by rules, we changed it. I like tea and changed by not only tea and but also coffee. So student, do you understand? I like tea and coffee here and added two words, tea, coffee. It's a such type of word that tea, coffee as like same. So when we got this type of sentence and or both, here we change it. I like not only but also, not only tea but also coffee. It's two words. One word started by not only, another word coffee started by but also. Here is two another word not only but also. It is a common rule and I know you also remember that. So students, our today's lesson is finished. I want to give you some homework. Please open your khata and write it. Homework number 1. Only Allah can help us. Make it negative. 2. There is no one can do it. Make it affirmative. Rina and Shima are two friends. Negative. Make it negative. And last, you must do this homework. Make it negative. So student, please try it your home. And okay student, goodbye. See you again.